All right, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Going to be doing a quick tutorial video today on how to use your KFI in your Klever wallet to vote for Klever proposals. So you're going to open up your wallet. Bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see a globe. It'll bring you to this page here. It's the Klever browser. I already have the website saved. It's cleverscan.org. And if you don't have it, put it up in the, the search bar and it'll bring you here. Okay, if you want to look at your proposal or the proposals and learn more about them, click to the top right-hand corner. You're going to see some horizontal lines. Click on that. And you'll see proposals. Click on that. It'll bring you here. Then you're going to switch over to proposals, and you can see all the proposals and the details. You click on the details, and you can see the details of the proposals and what ones you might want to vote for or against. Okay, after you've done that, you know what you're going to vote for. Hit the Klever Explorer, bring you back here to the quick access on the main page. Hey guys, before I finish up, if you could like, subscribe, share, appreciate it. Hit that notification bell. If you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe. All right, so you're going to go over to vote here. Click on that. Okay, so this is where you have to choose the proposal. So whatever one you want to vote for, you click on the drop-down box, the amount of KFI that you're going to be using to vote, and it has to be staked. In favor or against, you got to click and toggle it, whichever one you want to do. And then you go down to the bottom here, you're going to see create transaction. You're going to click on that. It's going to create the transaction. Make sure you have at least 3 Klever for the fee. And it'll create the transaction. You're going to authorize it by putting in your PIN code. And you'll see the transaction is successful after that. And there you go, you voted. So thanks, guys, for watching. Much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please go over to my Telegram channel for Klever. It's the Klever Universe chat. And if you have any questions or comments, or you'd like to learn more about Klever, or if you want some free Klever, come on over. I'm giving out free Klever. So please do. Appreciate it. See you on the next video.